Bitmoji is an app that makes a cartoon version of you and supplies you with all sorts of pre-made and searchable images and stickers like these. So Bitmoji does have a great Chrome extension that allows you to integrate these images and stickers. But first you need to make your cartoon self, and you can only do that with the Bitmoji app. It's free, and so you're going to need to download it onto your phone from your App Center and then open it. If you have a Snapchat account, you can sign in with that. But if not, just choose the sign up with email option and enter your birthday and create a login. Make sure you make note of your password. First step is to tap to choose a gender. If you start with a selfie, Bitmoji is going to do a whole lot of the work for you. If you skip that step, you will be able to build your cartoon self from scratch. I'll use the selfie option. Center your face in the circle and tap the camera icon to take a picture. Bitmoji is going to do its best to make a cartoon version of you, but you can customize and adjust literally everything. The icons along the bottom of your screen are going to cover things like skin tone, hair color, hairstyle, eye color, eye spacing, and really so much more. Tap through each of these to see what your options are. And don't forget to swipe right to see even more options, including your outfit options. Once you are all done and very happy with your Bitmoji self, you tap save. You can always tap this avatar icon to come back and make changes, so don't worry, you are not stuck with the same hairdo and outfit forever. That's all we need to do with the app. You now need to switch over to your computer and go to the Chrome Web Store. Search the store for Bitmoji and click the blue Add to Chrome button that you'll see. I already have mine added. Extensions are now stacking under this puzzle piece icon in your browser. So click it and look for the winking green Bitmoji icon to open the extension. First time you open it, you'll need to click Get Started and log in with that same login method you used when you set up your account on your phone. If you want to add a Bitmoji to anything, simply click that icon again to open the extension and search or browse. Once you find something that you like, you just need to right-click on the image to save it, which saves it to your computer, and then you can upload it, say, to your Schoology class like I did here. But if you just need to quickly drop it, say, into a Google Doc or drawing, you can also just right-click on it and choose Copy instead of Save. Then navigate over to your Google Doc and paste it. Or in my case, here's a Google drawing, and I can paste it in here. Bitmojis are a really easy way to add some of your personality to your online environment, so have fun. If you want to make changes to your Bitmoji, you do those in the app, and then your changes will reflect automatically when you open the Chrome extension next. And for anyone who is interested, I will show you how to create a Bitmoji classroom like this one in another video.